Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In this first page, we'll find apps and you can click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Sorry, not here. You will go to storage. Then you can click on first stop. Don't click clear data. Sorry. You will go to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again.